Didn't want to do it, but I'm going to do it anyway. Because I care. Because I care. All right. Last log, number 3, was about deepening the look into your students. And I forgot to mention about that you should start with your roots, which is your history. And then obviously there's a lot to that. You deepen, from myth and stories and legend and actual history, factual history, obviously. And then multiple people's history, not just your own, but yours is extremely important. This moves on to log number 4, which is about genetics or of your plants, your humans, and your all living energy. What genetics are? They define what we are, where we came from through history or past genetics, describes what you're made of, like by if you're weak or strong through illnesses, or if you have a good immune system through physical strengths and exactly that. Then it moves on to colors through pigments and skin and hair. What other potential genetics or characteristics, possibilities that can be occurred in related sisters or brothers, parents, uncles, aunts, etc. Why blood is so important, because it's a deeper connection through your genetics or your type of energy. All living things are energy. And the energy is a type of circuit or a complete circuit. To have a complete circuit to work, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle to work, but it does make the current flow a lot more fluent, fast, and making it a lot more powerful. Why it works in all living things to be working energy circuit. And there are all kinds of shapes and sizes, and it explains, why there are shapes and sizes all different through the world of living things, complete circuits of energy, all through the world. Then you have your balance of energies from negative, which is bad or dark type of energy, to a neutral balance, which is basically nothing, to positive or good or light. This goes with everything from plants and animals being some good, some who can be bad and good, and then some who are just good to the full, or at least good enough to be a positive energy. Now this goes to all things that are good are not all good. And just like all things that are bad aren't all bad, but they can be enough of that energy to support that side. And then this will go on to the next lesson about why heaven or the light or positive energy is like a clean lab and wants only the best energy or genetics that are only good enough to get inside of it. Now, thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something.